Welcome back to IELTSBand 9 with 7 essential idioms today. The first idiom is run-of-the-mill, means average or ordinary. Apple iPhones, for example, are very run-of-the-mill. The second one is found my feet, means to become comfortable doing something. For example, moving to the new city was difficult at first, but I found my feet. The third idiom is go an extra mile, means do much more than it is required. I decided to go an extra mile and move to Canada because of my age. The fourth idiom is sit on the fence, means to be undecided. I haven't made up my mind about the issue. I should sit on the fence, for example. The fifth idiom is throw in the towel, to give up or quit. He threw in the towel and left his job as he was unhappy, for example. The sixth idiom is a watch pot never boils. The situation is taking over far too long to keep finished. And the seventh one is better late than never. It is better to finish something no matter how long it might take. Make sure you subscribe to the videos, like and follow, and for sure definitely share it with your friends.